camping. But hey, nothing was ever said about going in the front yard of neighbors.
Alright, let's turn our guts inside out, soldier.
Hey, come with me.
Alright. I see him. Didn't you have like a ditch over there?
Oh, yeah, over there.
Alright. It's not filled with any bees, or is it? Huh? It ain't filled with any bees, is it? Taking fire! Taking fire! I see him running over there. That means Erica's probably coming this way. Tango down.
Take the fire!
Oh crap. Tango down.
I got you, Erica. That wasn't even you that got me, dumbass. I've been hit. Oh, sorry.
It like, I saw the babies. Two of them went this way, the other one was just like.
I see half naked Evan.
Are you serious?
They're going on toward the pool. Don't shoot at him, Troy. That would be hilarious if it hit him, though. No, because he's going to get mad probably his mom and then
Who cares? He's a douche.
Stop happening. I was hit. Okay. Switching teams? No switching teams. You haven't even played a pool.
Hey, Adam, you're just scared because you don't want to be with this guy here with this toy.
No, actually, my shotgun's gonna be on my team all the time.
And this is a really nice
I
gun.
like to use my shotgun. Okay, get in your spot. And yes, respawning. By the way, hey, you want me to give up my weapon so you can come behind me with my shield?
Erica, your goggles are over there.
If you shoot me, so help me God.
So help you God indeed.
Hey Troy, so are you gonna be coming behind me?
Sure.
Well, that's going to make it easy for us because we're not going to know where you guys are.
You know what? It's not gonna be that easy for you guys.
Yeah, he might be able to pick us off
that's
one
cheating.
by
No,
one.
it's not. Using a riot shield is cheating. Is it, Alex?
Not really.
It's part of the gear. So get in your respawn points and get your gear on before you get shot in the face full force. They do not know what's coming for them.
No, they don't. It's time to turn our guts inside out with babies. How the heck did you make that?
With the help of an electric saw.
That is really good.
And it's really heavy.
Think SS Airsoft would allow that?
Maybe.
I mean, SS Airsoft trademark? Since this is being recorded.
I do right now, though.
I do not own an SS Airsoft or any of their facilities at all.
Hello, Mr. Piss Off. Ready? Go! Here, let me go first so I can cover you. Look right behind you. They might be coming from the behind.
Over here, come this way. Come this way.
She is?
Yeah, she's probably coming this way.
Wait, can we respond?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
What, you see her? You see her?
No, he's just asking me to respond. Hey, let's move behind us. Okay?
Yeah. My glasses are starting to fog up.
No. You don't get it.
I think
Hopefully, she's not responding. Hey, he's pointing the gun at us. If you point the gun at us, we will shoot you again. What the hell is she?
I don't know. Wait a second.
Damn it. I hear her looking. Oh, what do you know?
You respawned. That's
I
alright.
got chicken wing ran off. Okay, he's pointing it at us. Possible threat.
He's shooting at us too.
They're struggling. If it makes an empty sound, it's probably out.
Yeah, I think it's out right now. Just a guess.
Taking it.
But, I mean, I didn't shoot it yet, but...
I see shadows. It's out. Get behind hay. Get behind the hay. Get behind the hay. Go.
What buttoned up? No, I see it.
Pull it back. See him.
Act like you have a gun. Warn them. Anything.
It should be good.
Shortest reload ever.
Hey, let's start going for it, okay?
What the?
Give it a second.
I can't hardly see him.
This is totally out. Tell me when he's near.
I can't see much.
Neither can I.
Everything's all blurry.
Hey, Alex, health here. Pump it up, and I think you're ready to go.
There.
Damn it, I can't see nothing.
I'm gonna charge him since I can't see crap to make a long range shot.
Can't see nothing either.
If I can see feet.
Oh god,
What?
it's getting heavy.
Want me to carry?
to demand the ice cream man for his.
Rush, rush. Scan.
Huh?
Scan. Nice.
Hey, where's Erica? Damn, I just shot in there, hit the roof. Okay, my arms have rested. You want to try back, or do you like it back here? I need something that's I'm gonna go see if her shoes are at the door. Oh! Time! That's too close, Troy. That's too close. No, it's not. Fine, I surrender. I was hiding here the whole time.
Are you shoot? You didn't shoot at us?
Yes! Why didn't you shoot us? Because I was waiting for the perfect moment. I was thinking about shooting you guys there, and I was thinking about getting both of you, but you're behind the shield too much like a little coward.
It's called tactics.
You know what? At least you did it too, mate. Well, you surrendered, though.